Welcome to ArtMagic.
In this easy-to-follow drawing tutorial, kids will learn how to draw a vibrant train with a red engine and 3 cozy carriages. Draw 4 circles under the engine, evenly spaced apart. Begin by drawing a rectangle for the train's engine. Make sure to leave space on the right side for the carriages. Add a smaller rectangle on top of the first one for the cabin of the engine. Draw a small circle for the headlight at the front. Now, let's add wheels. These will be the wheels of the train. It's time to create the carriages. Draw 3 rectangles of similar size next to each other, extending from the engine. Next, let's add some fun details. Draw curved lines on the carriages to represent windows. Now, it's coloring time. Use a bright red color for the engine to make it stand out. Don't forget to color the wheels of the train. Black or gray will work well for this. You can use crayons, markers, or colored pencils. Color the carriages with cheerful colors like yellow, blue, and green. Add some patterns or designs to make them even more exciting. Finally, add some background elements like trees, clouds, or a railway track to complete your train drawing. See, it's running on the track. Congratulations! You've successfully drawn a colorful train with a red engine and 3 cozy carriages. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring. By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.